What's up guys? So OPPO has decided to shut down its chip design and manufacturing unit in China. OPPO is used to call it Seiko Semiconductors, where OPPO is used to manufacture MariSilicon X and Y chips. According to the confirmed resources, that OPPO is going to sell its processors manufacturing business unit. So we can see a last generation of a MariSilicon X chips in Renault 10 series. The MariSilicon X chip is a hardware algorithm or a neural processing unit of a camera which used to in OPPO flagship devices like Find X series and Reno series to enhance their photography and videography performances. Due to OPPO's these decisions, 3,000 professionals gonna be unemployed. DJI and Xiaomi are those companies who gonna buy this business unit are gonna hire those 3,000 professionals. Seiko Semiconductors basically focus on image signal processors of a camera. This business deal could be much more beneficial for the DJI because the DJI core businesses are robotics, drones, EVs and the LiDAR sensors. And these businesses are connecting with the cameras, and camera's main part is ISP. The reasons behind OPPO these decisions are uncertainty in a global economy and smartphone industry. The another main reason is OPPO's non-presence in the core smartphones markets like Middle East, America and the Europe. OPPO is already decided to exit from Europe and France. OPPO's global smartphone shipping has been dropped 14% and 11% alone in China in first and second quarter of 2023. So what do you think guys about this OPPO's decisions, and how was your experience with MariSilicon X chips mobile phones, and how this OPPO's decision will affect the performance of a photography in OPPO devices? Please do consider subscribing, and I'll see you tomorrow. Peace out.